Hello friends, welcome to my channel Indian Fashion Beauty with Art. Now friends, today in this video I am going to show you how to cut your hair in a round shape. Now first you have to thoroughly brush your hair, just like this. Thoroughly brush your hair and get it smooth and detangled. And then slightly wet your hair. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update from Indian Fashion Beauty with Art. So friends, as you all can see, the hair has attained a beautiful round shape. Thanks for watching. If you like our videos, please like